Hello there, governors. Welcome back to another video of Battlefield 1. Okay, now we're in a tank, but apparently I was trying to join in a squad, but apparently the damn control maybe went down to redeploy, so I have no engineer equipment on me now. Why were you shooting at me with a rocket gun if you're gonna miss? You Mississippi? Wow. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god.
That's an enemy shock trooper.
Got him. I forgot I have no repair equipment on me. Why aren't you done? Come here. Yeah, that's right. Need a repair vehicle. I need a repairing equipment to repair my tank. You got it lucky! He's got it lucky! Maybe I got it lucky! Looks like Duff has been taken over.
We have taken objective Freddy.
Hello, boys! Oh my sweet Jesus.
Enemy tank spotted.
That's not what I don't need right now. Lucky. Oh, come on! Oh well. Don't camp in the building! Not so smart, Mr. Cookies. What's this, Mr. Cookies? Oh, come on. Got him. Some kind of legendary gut you turned out to be. Hey! Go easy.
Enemy shock trooper, stay alert.
Damn!
We have lost objective Charlie.
What are you guys doing? Come on. There's a guy there. Two guys. Hello. Wait, that's a horse cavalry. Don't come near me! You'll regret it, son!
Tank
Hello.
spotted. Stay alert.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Mr. Pony? Where's that
We have
horse?
taken objective Edward.
Alright, quick repair while we're at it. God, I don't need this right now. Oh, we're not alone here, guys.
Shock trooper spotted.
Don't rip. I have your teammates in front of me! Alright, where's the... He had it freaking lucky!
We have lost objective Butter.
Give me back Edwards! You little pansies! I will take over! Where did that motorcycle came from? What are you doing? What's with the flares flying at my face? I don't understand anymore. Tank, what are you doing, mate? You think you guys are crazy? You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Okay, move along. All right, Duff needs to be taken
We are
over.
losing objective Edward.
Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Come on, let's go for it. Chickens! Kentucky Fried Chickens! The Kentucky Fried Chickens! Oh my god. You know, mate, I can do this. This is not Call of Duty! All buildings can break!
We have lost objective Charlie.
That's an artillery truck. That is too hard. That would be too hard for me to defeat by myself.
We have taken objective Charlie.
For a little small tank like me, gotta get moving. It's already obvious they're in the building! That's right, boy. That's right. You damn turkeys! Why are there snipers shooting at me? And these guys begin to tell me that I'm the one who's doing most of the work around here? Is that it? Is that it? Let me take over. Come on, come on. 3 points. I win. Come on, repair the tank, mate. Oh, nice. That's what we're talking about.
We have taken objective Freddy.
Oh, nice, mate. Thank you, dude.
Behind you.
That was cool for him, because that was actually teamwork right there.
Objective Edward.
Oh,
We
no!
have taken objective Apples.
Taking over, boys. Rocket gun. Man, these guys are trying to be hardcore. Oh god, this is where I'm dying. No! Alright, we're going plane, boys. We're going flight school. Let's do this. Okay, here we go. That was a hit. Oh my god!
We are losing objective Butter. We have lost objective Charlie. We have
Flares
lost
to
objective
scout
Butter.
out the enemy. But Jesus Christ! Why am I a squad leader? I don't want to be a squad leader. You absolute pansies. It's the plane shooting at me again. That was count as me killing him. Wait, who did I kill? Oh, now we're talking.
Sighting the tank. I'm looking right at an enemy soldier.
Why isn't he dying? There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
We have taken objective Butter.
Watch out!
Got him. Target down.
You see him? One of their soldiers. Careful! Enemy soldier.
Objective Butter.
Nice try. Well, I'm the rear gunner. Whoa, okay. It appears that I'm on top of the behemoth.
We have taken objective.
What the? How did he get up here? That's right, boy. That's right, boy. That's right, boy.
Lost objective.
That was not too bad. Oh my god! What's with my cape? My arms through my cape. Why did the game make me spawn with a freaking sniper class? Why would it do that? Why would it decide to do that on me? I don't need this right now. At least a stairway. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my god. At least he doesn't see me, that's a good sign. If it doesn't see me, I should be alright. What is that plane doing? Oh, it's going down, it's going
We are
down!
winning.
We stay in the shadows, we should be alright. That no one doesn't see me. Because I want to watch the behemoth go down. Oh, it's crashed onto the mountain. That's a hit. That was a beautiful hit! That's an enemy tank.
We have lost objective apples.
Kind of want to stay away from. Oh, there's some unfriendly customers here. That's not a good sign. Ah!